Hello and welcome to Skillcast by SKILLTECS.com, where we explore the latest trends and insights in the world of business. I'm Mahmoud, and today we're going to talk about the four main functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These are the essential skills that every manager needs to master in order to achieve organizational goals and lead their teams effectively. Let's start with planning. Planning is the process of setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them. Planning involves analyzing the current situation, forecasting the future, evaluating alternatives, and choosing the most suitable option. Planning helps managers to align their actions with the vision and mission of the organization and to allocate resources and time efficiently. Some examples of planning tools are strategic plans, budgets, schedules, and project plans. Next, we have organizing. Organizing is the process of arranging and coordinating the human, physical, and financial resources of the organization to carry out the plan. Organizing involves designing the structure of the organization, assigning roles and responsibilities, delegating authority, and establishing communication and coordination mechanisms. Organizing helps managers to create a clear division of labor and to ensure that everyone knows what they are supposed to do and how they are supposed to do it. The third main function of management is leading. Leading is the process of influencing and motivating others to work towards the common goals of the organization. Leading involves setting the direction, communicating the vision, inspiring trust, and providing feedback and recognition. Leading helps managers to build a positive work culture and to foster teamwork and collaboration among employees. The last main function of management is controlling. Controlling is the process of monitoring and evaluating the performance of the organization and taking corrective actions if necessary. Controlling involves setting standards, measuring results, comparing them with the standards, and identifying and solving problems. Controlling helps managers to ensure that the organization is on track and to improve the quality and efficiency of the work processes. As you can see, the four functions of management are interrelated and interdependent. They form a cycle that managers need to follow in order to plan, organize, lead, and control their work and their team. By mastering these four functions, managers can enhance their effectiveness and achieve better outcomes for their organization. That's all for today's episode of Skillcast by SKILLTECS.com. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to learn more about business and management, stay tuned for our next episode, where we will discuss another interesting topic. Thank you for listening and have a great day.